Now we do a brake, a level kit shock on the front, and level kit for both. What happened here is that's the one level kit for the back. This is the back kit. So they have a block, 3 inches block, and a couple bolt right here. That's the back one. So we install this on the aftermarket DVD player. Navigation. So I just check it up, take it out all the bolt, up the tie, bring the tie out. So I got here this is level kit on the front with 2 new shocks, brake and roller. So took out they have 2 screws on the back. It's gonna be 17 screw nut. So it's down here, up here, take it out and take caliper out there, and the roller is right there. So right now I'm trying to put the shock, put a level kit on it. So you got to find the right one, like this one. So the level kit already in. So when you put it in all together at once. So this is level kit right here. So this one I believe 175 something, and the back is 2 inches. So you got 3 nut up here in the old strap. They have up here. You just loose it, and 1 down here, the big bolt right here. That's all you need. Just take it up, and right now I'm going to put it back in with level kit and new rims. So you put the jack in here. So that's the top piece. This is the bottom. So that's how we did. That's how I did earlier. The level kit, strap. So we just tie in. There's an audible on top of it. Make sure they line up straight from the bottom. And 1 bolt up here will be from here, there. So that's how I did. Put a jack, small jack in the middle, and then bring it down. Let me put it on. Line up. So that's it. The handbrake cable down underneath here, under the spring, and bring it here, plug in here, and you know, before you put the plugs in, what you do to rub this one down, the jack down a little bit, and this thing, they falling down, they rub it down, and then you can put the plug in inside. Easy. So after you put the plug on to U-bolt light, U-bolt right here, just tie it in. This is a new sock, we put it on either too. So yeah, easy and simple, but you don't have the rear part is way easy than the front. So that's it, that's how we did. Yeah, just release the jack and whole unit it come down, and they give a space so we can put the plugs in. That's all you need. Thank you guys.